Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A confident woman in the office. Every morning, a confident woman arrives at her office with a positive attitude. She wears professional clothes and walks with determination. Her office is modern, clean, and organized. Her coworkers respect her because she is responsible, kind, and helpful. She always encourages others to do their best. She understands that teamwork is important for achieving success. At the end of the day, she feels proud of her accomplishments. She knows that every small step brings her closer to her dreams. Her positive mindset helps her stay motivated and confident. She is an example of perseverance and success, showing that dedication and effort can create a bright future for anyone who believes in themselves. Vocabulary. English. Confident. Office. Success. Hard work. Discipline. Challenges. Focused. Solutions. Skills. Teamwork. Accomplishments. Dreams. Mindset. Motivated. Perseverance. Intermediate English. Building success through determination. In a modern office overlooking a busy city, a professional woman stands confidently, ready to face the challenges of her career. Her success is not the result of luck but of continuous effort, dedication, and a strong desire to improve herself every day. She begins each morning by organizing her tasks and setting clear goals. This habit allows her to remain productive and focused throughout the day. Whenever difficulties arise, she approaches them with patience and determination rather than frustration. She understands that obstacles are a natural part of growth and that overcoming them develops valuable experience. The motivational messages around her workspace serve as daily reminders of her potential. They encourage her to stay optimistic and maintain confidence in her abilities. She believes that personal development is a lifelong journey and that every achievement starts with a positive attitude. Her colleagues admire her leadership skills and her willingness to support others. She creates a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued and encouraged to contribute their ideas. Because of her professionalism and commitment, she has become a respected member of her organization. At the end of each day, she reflects on her progress and identifies areas for improvement. This continuous learning process strengthens her confidence and prepares her for future opportunities. Her story demonstrates that success is achieved through perseverance, responsibility, and the courage to pursue ambitious goals despite challenges. Vocabulary. Determination. Career. Continuous effort. Dedication. Productive. Obstacles. Growth. Potential. Personal development. Leadership. Collaborative. Professionalism. Commitment. Progress. Opportunities. The professional woman demonstrates resilience, ambition, and a commitment to excellence. She does not allow setbacks to stop her. Instead, she uses them as opportunities for innovation and growth. Through strategic thinking, she adapts to different circumstances and overcomes adversity. Her focus on self-improvement helps her face uncertainty with confidence. She promotes accountability and leads with integrity, inspiring others through her example. Her success is the result of purposeful action, strong aspirations, and meaningful accomplishments. Vocabulary. Resilience. Ambition. Excellence. Setbacks. Innovation. Strategic thinking. Circumstances. Adversity. Self-improvement. Uncertainty. Accountability. Integrity. Purposeful action. Aspirations. Accomplishments. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.